Okay, YouTube, this is Jose PhD, because I'm smart. Anyway, this is an update to the FireArmsResQ Ammo Box Club, Ammo Box Art Club thing. So yeah, this is pretty fancy, I'd say, for a see-through box. 9mm Luger, 150 grain HST jacketed hollow point. What does the HST stand for? That, I guess that's what it looks like when the bullet hits you in the head. Little window, you can see in the hollow point there. Yeah, those are pretty cool, I thought, anyway. And then here's a new redesign of the Federal 9mm box. This is just basic FMJ ammo. Everybody knows what that looks like. And then this 12 gauge Defender. Look at that. It's got 1 ounce rifled slug and 3 plated double up buck pellets. Just look how cool that. Yeah, and it's got the racist horse on there, cowboy. And this bullseye. Guess that's how it shoots out the barrel. Like an Illuminati triangle. Here's the shell. It's 2 3/4. Black. Does that make it racist too? Because it's black, a black shell. Yeah, I bet these are pretty deadly. They got shoot somebody like Jimmy Kimmel. Defender, stop the threat. 1150 feet per second. Yeah, that's pretty. I think that's pretty good. So that's how it's set up in the shell. Yep. Anyway, this is the update to the FireArmsResQ Fancy Ammo Box Art Club. And yeah, I want to be nominated for the treasure. So however many likes I get on this video, if I get the most likes, I get nominated. Alright, Jose PhD signing out.